Consent means giving permission or agreeing to something. In simple words, consent equals saying yes or agreeing. What does consent mean in daily life? Consent is needed when someone asks to borrow your things, people make agreements, you agree to do something. Consent shows that you understand and agree to what is happening. Very easy examples. She gave her consent to use the computer. She agreed. He cannot go without parental consent. Parents must agree. More simple sentences. Always get consent before sharing photos. Doctors ask for patient consent before treatment. Consent is important in school activities. Daily life situations. Students need consent to join trips. Teachers need consent from parents for events. Consent ensures safety and respect. Student-friendly sentence. I gave my consent to participate in the competition. Important point to remember. Consent must be free and informed. It cannot be forced. Easy memory tip. Consent equals permission or agreement